Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's continue to see the Python strings. Alright. Let's talk about multiline strings. You know what? We can assign a multiline string to a variable by using 3 quotes. Let's see that now. I am creating a variable and assigning a multiline string to that variable by using triple double quotes. Then, I use the print function to print the variable value. After that, I repeat the same steps with a different variable, using triple single quotes. Okay. Let's run. The output seems unclear, so I will create a new print function to display stars between 2 different multiline string examples. Look at the terminal. We have got the expected output without any errors. Now we know the 2 ways that exist in Python how to create a multiline string. Alright. Now, let's see how to get a character from a string by using its index. I set up a variable called a with the value hello world. I am thinking of printing w from the given string. Hence, I am using its index 5 within the print function. Look at the terminal, it prints the w as expected. If you change the index of the string, it will print the respective character. I am disabling the code as we need to jump into the next topic called looping through a string. Strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing the Unicode characters. Hence, I am using the for loop to print each and every character from the string called world. Look at the result, it prints every character from the x variable. Now, we know how to get a character from a string and how to loop through characters in a string. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video.